4-bit quantization can shrink a large language model by 4 times and make it far faster, but there is a catch. A handful of extreme outlier values wreck the accuracy. QuaRot, from ETH Zurich in 2024, fixes this with a surprising trick. It rotates the model. In this video, why outliers block 4-bit, what QuaRot does, how it works, where the rotations go, how it compares, the numbers, and when to reach for it. Start with the pain. Inside an LLM, most activation values are small, but a few channels carry huge outlier spikes, sometimes 100 times larger than the rest. When you squeeze everything into just 16 4-bit levels, those spikes stretch the scale and crush all the normal values to near zero. That is why naive 4-bit quantization of weights, activations, and the KV cache together collapses the model's accuracy. Here is QuaRot's idea. Multiply the hidden states by an orthogonal rotation matrix, a Hadamard rotation, and counter-rotate the neighboring weights. Mathematically, the model's output is unchanged, a property called computational invariance, borrowed from slice GPT. But the rotation spreads each outlier's energy across all channels, so the spikes vanish and the distribution becomes smooth and Gaussian-like, easy to quantize to 4 bits. Let's walk the pipeline. First, fuse fixed rotation matrices into the model's weights offline, which removes outliers for free at runtime. Next, add small online Hadamard rotations inside attention and the feed-forward block to clean the last activations. Then quantize weights, activations, and the KV cache to 4 bits with simple round to nearest. Because the outliers are gone, no fancy per outlier handling is needed. Where do the rotations actually live? QuaRot inserts 4. R1 rotates the residual stream and folds into the weights offline. R2 sits inside attention to make the value and KV cache 4-bit friendly. R3 is an online Hadamard on the keys and queries. R4 is an online rotation inside the feed-forward down projection. R1 and R2 are free at runtime. R3 and R4 use a fast Walsh Hadamard transform. How does this compare to the older approach, smooth quant? Smooth quant shifts the outlier problem from activations into the weights by scaling, which works well at 8 bits. But push it to full 4-bit weights and activations and it falls apart, especially on code and math. Rotation-based QuaRot has no leftover outliers to migrate, so it holds up, where smooth quant collapses. QuaRot also started a family of rotation methods. QuaRot itself uses fixed random or Hadamard rotations, no training needed. Then quant learns the rotation, matrices with a little optimization, and closes more of the gap to full precision. DoQuant combines rotation with permutation for even smoother distributions. All of them share the same core insight: rotate first, then quantize. Now the headline numbers. Quantizing LMA270B to full 4-bit with QuaRot keeps about 99% of the original 16-bit accuracy, with a perplexity loss under 1/3 of a point. It delivers up to a 2.16 times per fill speedup on an RTX 3090, and 6-bit and 8-bit quantization are essentially lossless. Rotation makes aggressive 4-bit finally safe. The efficiency win is real. 4-bit weights cut memory roughly 4 times versus 16-bit, and quantizing the KV cache to 4-bit saves up to 3.4 times the memory during decoding, letting you fit much longer contexts. The offline rotations cost nothing at runtime, and the online Hadamard transforms are cheap, so you gain speed and shrink footprint at the same time. In practice, you rarely implement rotations by hand. Libraries expose QuaRot and SpinQuant style rotations, and you can pair them with a strong weight quantizer like GPTQ. You rotate the model, then run 4-bit quantization on the rotated weights. The result is a single model that runs entirely in 4-bit arithmetic, activations and KV cache included. Where does this shine? Serving big models on modest hardware. Full 4-bit lets a 70B model fit and run fast on a single consumer or data center GPU, cutting cost and latency. It is ideal for high-throughput inference, long context chat where the KV cache dominates memory, and edge or on-premise deployments where every gigabyte and millisecond counts. So when should you reach for it, and when not? Reach for rotation-based 4-bit when you need maximum compression and speed and can accept a tiny accuracy dip, especially on large models, where the gap is smallest. Think twice for small models, which are more fragile at 4-bit, or for tasks needing peak accuracy, where 8-bit or weight-only 4-bit is a safer, simpler choice. Quick recap. 4-bit quantization is blocked by a few giant outliers. QuaRot rotates the hidden states with Hadamard matrices, so the output is unchanged but the outliers spread out and vanish. That makes full 4-bit weights, activations, and KV cache safe, keeping about 99% of accuracy at 7 dB, with real speed and memory wins. Bin quant and do quant push it further. That is QuaRot. Don't fight the outliers, rotate them away. It turned aggressive 4-bit inference from a quality disaster into a practical default, and it launched a whole family of rotation-based quantizers. Did this make QuaRot click? Follow for plain English genai breakdowns.